In question 1, it says solve the equation ln of x squared plus 1 equals to 1 plus 2 ln of x, giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Now, in the first step, we'll first write 1 also in terms of ln of x. So we can write it as ln of, so this will become ln of x squared plus 1 is equals to, we know that ln of e is 1, so we can write it as ln of e plus ln of, and we can bring the 2 over here and make it a power of x. Now, as they are multiplying, as they are adding over here, so we can write it as ln of x squared plus 1 is equals to ln of e multiplied by x squared. So that will become ln of ex squared. And then we can just equate both the sides. So we will get x squared plus 1 is equals to ex squared. Now, e is like a constant. So to solve this equation, we can write it as ex squared minus x squared is equals to 1. So ex square minus x square divided by 1, we can write it as, if we take common, x square is equals to 1. Sorry, that will become e minus 1. So we can write it as e minus 1 is equals to 1. So x square will be is equals to 1 upon e minus 1. And finally, to find the value of x, we'll write it as square root of 1 upon e minus 1. Substituting this in the calculator, square root of 1 upon e minus 1, we'll get one answer, that will be 0.763, and the other answer will be a negative, as it is a square root, so we'll ignore the other value, and this will be a final answer.